our setup and plan, and the price action is very good, and clearly you can see that the market shifted again to the downside. Then after we had our last change of character to the upside external structure, then we had our break of structure to the upside, then we had our change of character to the downside. Then later we had our liquidity sweep, which was here, and even before that liquidity sweep, the price came and tapped into this order block, sell order block, that led to this liquidity sweep. So what's our plan? My first plan is very, very simple. Scenario number 1, I want to see the candle close below here so that I can target this new sell order block. Then I'll look for sell entries so that I can continue selling the price to the downside. And then you have to be patient till we get that A plus setup. Then you take that trade. Then for Euro USD, super simple. First thing first is market structure. We had our last break of structure to the downside. It was a break of structure, it was not a change of character. Then we had our change of character to the upside. Then we have our first order block, which is here, and then we have another order block, but for now we can focus on that first order block. Let me make it a little bit more tight, and we have to focus and to wait for that order block to be mitigated. Then you're gonna look for buy opportunities from this order block, and we target the next swing high. Then for gold, just now waiting for only our candle close, just waiting for only the candle close, 30 minutes candle close. And how did we come up with that trade? If you see here cleanly, we had our last break of structure to the downside on 15 minutes. Then we had our change of character to the upside. Then we had our order block, which was here, that the price came in, tapped in, then continued up. Then had to mark out this liquidity. It was swept, and also the Asian low was swept. Then you had to go to 1 minute. Then on 1 minute, we had our market structure shift from here. You can see it, but we need to see the volume building up, closing above this candle. And if the price close above this candle, it's just 18 minutes too. Then we're gonna come on 5 minutes. Then we look for that 5 minutes fair value gap or 3 minutes fair value gap. Then we target our next swing high, which will be here. So you just have to be a little bit more patient, and then we see what really happens. And we're gonna have a tight stop loss and we're gonna take it here. It'll be 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk to reward. Then for GBP GPY, as usual, we had our break of structure to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the upside. Then we had our last break of structure to the upside, which was here. Internal structure, right? Then we had also this was also a break of structure to the upside. And this was also a break of structure to the upside. So our order block is still here. Although we have plenty of liquidity into this order block, which you have to be patiently. You have to wait patiently so that liquidity is being swept. And our plan is also very, very simple. Just wait for the price to come back here, then you look for buy confirmation, then you continue buying. Or if the price disrespect this order block, then you're gonna wait for the break, then retest, then a continuation. Then GBP UJ, still the same thing. You're not selling, you're not buying, you're just now waiting patiently. This was our change of character to the upside. And this was our break of structure to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the downside, internal structure. Then our sell order block. You can see we still have plenty of liquidity here. Then you're gonna just be a little bit more patient. Then you wait for the price to come here, tap it to our order block. Then wait for that's scenario number 1. But the most comfortable scenario I'm waiting is a continuation to the upside. And if the price disrespect this order block, I just wait for the break, then retest, then a continuation to the upside. Okay guys, that's it. Peace out. I'll be updating you towards new session, and I'll be sending each and everything that